Good evening, sir. Good evening, sir.
Good evening, all.
Good evening, sir.
Good
Good evening, sir.
evening. Good evening.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening.
Sir, that will answer 2, sir. Option 2, sir.
Option 2, sir.
This is equal to sin pi by 2 is 1, sin pi is 0. Square cos 3 pi by 2. Cos odd
0 plus
multiplication 0. Cos 2
plus 1.
1.
1 plus
First
1
option, sir.
2, sir. She is changing options always.
Second option correct only.
Yes, sir.
1 plus 1 2. 1 square 1, 1 square 1. That's all. Okay, let us move to the 19th. If
Sir, one show before page. Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
if sin theta 1 plus sin theta 2 plus sin theta 3 equal to 3, then cos theta 1 plus cos theta 2 plus cos theta 3 is equal to first option 0, second option 1, third option 2, fourth option 3.
Fourth option 3, sir.
Fourth option 3. Okay. What is given here? Sin theta 1 plus sin theta
option, sir.
first option 3. So we need to find out the value of this one. Okay. First, let me write like this. Sin theta 1 plus sin theta 2 plus sin theta 3 equals to this 3 I will write 1 plus 1 plus 1 I will write. Can I write?
Yes, sir.
Now this sin theta 1 is equal to 1. Sin theta 2 is equal to 1.
Sin theta 3 is equals to 1.
Sin theta 3 is equals to 1.
Sin theta 1 equals to 1. 1 means sin pi by 2. Am I correct?
Yes, sir.
Even sin theta 2 also sin pi by 2.
Sin pi by 2.
Even sin theta 3 also.
Sin pi by 2.
So from this we get theta 1 is equal, theta 2 is equal, theta 3 is equal to pi by 2. Am I correct?
Yes, sir.
Now substitute these values here. So cos pi by 2 plus cos pi by 2 plus cos pi by 2. Cos 90 is 0. 0 plus 0 plus 0. So answer is 0. First option is the right option. So don't worry. You need to just expect the answer like that only. No problem.
Completed.
Question number
20.
20.
20. Sri Harshini. Who is that Sri Harshini? She left. I cannot do anything now. Next page I'll see.
She's not here.
It cannot move if I change also. Who is she?
She is 9th. She this class is she joined first time, sir. This class.
Okay. I will try once again. Now okay? Right.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
If 8 sine square x plus 3 cos square x equals to 5, then cot x equals to Sainitra is our student only.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
I will ask you, then only I will allow them. Second one is plus or minus 1 upon root 3. Somebody is chatting. Sai Pranav Reddy. Yes, sir. Today only I took admission in school. Okay. Right. Third one. Plus or minus root of 3 by 2. Fourth one, plus or minus root of 2 upon 3. Okay, I will give one suggestion to you. Hint. Divide both sides by sine square x. You will get the answer. Try. Divide both sides by sine square x. If you want to write tan x value, divide both sides by cos square x. Okay. 8 sine square plus 3 cos square.
Option 3, sir.
Oh God. divide both sides by sine square. 8 sine square plus 3 cos square upon sine square equal to 5 upon sine square. Sine square cancel. 8 plus 3 cos square by sine square is cot square x. 1 by sine square is cosecant square. So 5 cosecant square x. See, this cosecant square x is equal to, we can write 1 plus cot square x. Am I correct? This is 5 multiplied
Yes, sir.
by cosecant. This is 5 plus 5 cot square x. We need cot x value. Bring 3 cot square x this side, 5 that side. So 5 cot square x minus 3 cot square x equals to 8 minus 5. So that implies 3 cot square x, sorry, 2 cot square x equal to 3. Cot square x is equal to 3 upon 2. Cot x equals to root of 3 by 2 plus or minus. Third option is the right option. Clear?
Yes.
Okay. 21. If sin x plus sin square x equals to 1, then cos square x plus cos x to the power of 4 equals to, first option 0, second option 1, third option 2, fourth option negative 1. Can I admit Sai Netra?
Yes. Yes, sir. Third option, sir. 2.
Good try. Next, anybody? This is very, very important problem. Right. See, what is given means, let us say, this objective type questions better. Sin x is equal to, say yes. Cos x is equal to c. What is given? S plus s square is equal to 1. Am I correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Is equal to 1 minus s square. That means 1 minus sin square. That is nothing but cos square. So we need to find this value. So given expression is equal to, we need to find out c square plus c power 4. This I will write c square plus c square whole square. C square is nothing but yes, sine c square whole square, sine square. So this is nothing but sin x plus sine square x. So cos square x plus cos x to the power of 4 is equal to sin x plus sine square x. That is nothing but 1. So answer is 1. Second option is the right option. Okay, shall I move to next question?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Understood this question?
Yes, sir. Understood.
Yes, sir.
22nd. If cos of x minus y equal to -1, then cos x plus cos y equals to first option 0, second option 1, third option 2, fourth option -1.
Second option, sir.
Second option. Okay. See, cos of x minus y is equal to, so I will write cos 180 degrees, because cos 180 degrees is equal to -1. So instead of this -1, this is replaced. Now x minus y equals to 180 degrees. Now x is equal to, we can have 180 degrees plus y. Find cos x, because we need to find cos x plus cos y. Cos of 180 degrees plus y. Cos 180 plus theta minus cos y. Bring minus cos y this side. So therefore cos x plus cos y equal to 0. First option is the right option. Third. If sin x plus cosecant x equals to 2, then sin x to the power of 8 plus cosec x to the power of 8 equals to, first option is 1, second option is 2, third option is 3, fourth option is 4.
Option 2, sir.
Option?
Op-
Option 1, 2, 3, 4. Which is the right option?
2.
Okay, let us try. See, this is the sin x. This cosecant x we can write 1 upon sin x. This is equal to 2. Sin x is the LCM. Sin x into sin x, sin square x plus 1 is equal to 2. Let us suppose this sin x is equal to s. This we have s square plus 1 equal to 2s. Bring 2s this side. S square minus 2s plus 1 is equal to 0. This is s minus 1 whole square. So that means s minus 1 is equal to 0, s is equal to 1. S means sin x is equal to 1. That is sin pi by 2. So x is equal to pi by 2. Put pi by 2 in this given expression. Sine pi by 2 whole to the power of 8 plus cosec pi by 2 whole to the power of 8. Cos pi by 2 is 1, cosec pi by 2 is also 1. 1 plus 1. Answer is 2. Second option is the right option. మరి ఆన్సర్ చెప్పింది ఎవరు? Question number 24. If sin x plus cos x equal to a, then mod of sin x minus cos x. First option, root of 1 minus a square. Second one is root of a square minus 1. Third option, root of 2 minus a square. Fourth one is root of a square minus 2. Let us say this is S, this is C. Now mod of S minus C we need to find out. See, first S minus C whole square radar. That means A minus B whole square. A minus B whole square is equal to A plus B whole square minus 4AB, 4SC. So now S plus C whole square find out. What is S plus C whole square? S plus C whole square is equal to sine square plus cos square plus 2SC.
S.
That is equal to A square. But sine square plus cos square is equal to how much? 1. So 2SC is equal to, we can write A square minus 1. 4SC is equal to 2A square minus 2. Am I correct now? Sorry, if you multiply 2 on both sides. Substitute here. S plus C is equal to A square minus of 2A square minus 2. A square minus 2A square plus 2. This will be 2 minus A square. We need S minus C. Root of 2 minus A square plus or minus. But mod means always positive we need to take. Mod of S minus C is root of 2 minus A square. Third option is the right option. If 1 plus sine A into 1 plus sine B into 1 plus sine C equals to 1 minus sine A, 1 minus sine B into 1
1
minus
minus 9.
sine C is equal to K. That means each is equal to K. Then K equals to first option sine A, sine B, sine C. Second, plus or minus cos A, cos B, cos C. Varsha. Who is Varsha? Third, plus or minus sec A, sec B, sec C. Fourth, plus or minus cosec A, cosec B, cosec C. Right. See what is given here. Product of these three factors equal to K. Product of these factors also equal to K. That means you say like this. Let K is equal to 1 plus sine A into 1 plus sine B into 1 plus sine C. Say equation 1. Similarly, this K also equal to 1 minus sine A.
Option 2, sir.
Option 2. 1 minus sine B. 1 minus sine C. Okay. Multiply 1 and 2. Multiply 1 and 2. So K into K, you get K square. See, here quite interesting factor is that if you multiply these two, A plus B into A minus B, and you need to multiply these two. You need to multiply these two. A plus B into A minus B is A square minus B square. 1 minus sine square A. Am I correct? Into this will be 1 minus sine square.
Yes.
So this will be 1 minus sine square C. So formula we have, this is cos square A, cos square B, cos square C. But we need K value. K is equal to root over cos square A, cos square B, cos square C. So you get plus or minus cos A, cos B, cos C. Am I correct? Second option is the right option. This method is clear or any doubt?
Clear, sir.
Clear, sir. Clear, sir.
So have you followed all these 25 questions?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Twenty-sixth. Cosecant square A, cot square A minus secant square A, tan square A minus cot square A minus tan square A into secant square A cosecant square A minus 1 equals to first option 0, second option 1, third option minus 1, fourth option 2. So one thing, Nana, options are independent of A. So which angle do you select?
45.
Huh?
45, sir.
45 degrees.
45 degrees.
45 is very good. Substitute 45 and get the answer. As
Answer.
0, sir. Option 1.
yes. Because cosecant square 45.
Cos square 45 is equals to 2, sir.
Come on, say.
Into 1, sir. Minus 2.
Minus 2 into 1
Cot of
one
cot square
2
minus
into 1.
1 of
Minus 1 minus 1
2 minus
is
1.
equals to 0.
0 minus 0.
0.
This is root 2 square 2. 2 minus 2 minus this is 1 minus 1 0 0 into something 0 minus 0
0 minus 0, that is 0.
first option. So logical manner we can solve this problem. Okay, I will give one homework to you. You try this question.
Sir, one should be 4 page.
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir, thank you.
If tan square theta plus sec theta equals to 5, then sec theta equals to first option 3, second option 2, third option 1, fourth option -1. Okay, try this question. So I will give 5 minutes time to you.
Two, sir, answer.
Answer option 2, sir.
2,
How?
sir.
How?
Option 2, answer also 2.
How?
Yes, sir.
Tan square
Theta is
theta
equal
is
Tan
Yes, sir.
square theta is 3, sir.
3.
Sec
Plus
theta is 2, sir. That is equals to 5, sir. So second option is correct.
60 degrees, sir. Tan square 60 root 3, sir. Tan square 60, 3 no, sir. Plus sec theta is equals, sec 60 is equals to 2, sir. 3 plus 2, 5, sir.
3 plus
sec
2, 5, sir.
Wonderful. Okay, I will give one more question also. Because you did in only 1 minute. Okay.
Option 2 0, sir.
How? Correct only. How could you justify?
Log of sin 1 into sin 2 into sin 3 into so on sin 179, sir.
Sine
Log
1, sine. Wait.
0, 0 into anything is equals to 0.
One
Log
of
1
the,
is equal.
1 minute. Among the values, log of sine 90 degrees also one of the values. Sine 90 degrees is 1. Log 1 is 0. 0 multiplied by everything 0. So that is the reason. Understood now? If you continue
Yes,
like
sir.
that,
Yes, sir.
you will get log of sine of 90. That is log 1, 0. 0 into something is 0. So answer you will be getting 0. Just like this logic. Generally, in algebra also we have one logic. X minus A, X minus B, X minus C, and so on dash dash X minus Z is equal to how much? Huh? 0.
0.
Why?
0.
In middle, x minus x also will come, sir.
Yes.
That is equals to 0. 0 into anything is equals to 0.
Same similar pattern here also. Okay, thank you, Nana. We shall meet you tomorrow. Are you following or not?
Thank you.
Thank you.
Are you following or not?
Following, sir.
Yes, following, sir.
Okay, Nana.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.